Welcome to Bike Sphere, your ultimate destination for all things two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into the latest addition to Harley-Davidson's lineup, the 2025 V-Rod. Known for its power cruiser persona, the V-Rod has evolved once again to merge classic Harley style with cutting-edge innovation. Let's rev up and see what this beast has to offer. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 V-Rod maintains its muscular stance, but Harley-Davidson has refined its design for a sleeker and more aggressive look. The bike features a reworked frame that's lighter yet more durable, paired with a wider rear tire and redesigned exhaust for a modern edge. The signature LED headlight and dynamic taillight configuration make it instantly recognizable, whether day or night. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 V-Rod is an all-new liquid-cooled Revolution Max 1300T engine. This powerhouse delivers 160 horsepower and 100 lb-ft of torque, ensuring exhilarating acceleration and top-tier cruising power. Harley has also incorporated improved ride-by-wire throttle control and multiple ride modes to suit varying conditions, making it one of the most versatile V-Rods ever. Technology and features. The 2025 V-Rod is packed with advanced tech to enhance the riding experience. The bike boasts a high-resolution 6.5-inch TFT display with integrated navigation, smartphone connectivity, and access to Harley's proprietary Ride Planner app. Safety features like cornering ABS, traction control, and hill hold assist come standard, ensuring confidence for riders of all skill levels. Ride quality and comfort. Comfort and performance come together seamlessly in the 2025 V-Rod. The updated suspension system, featuring a fully adjustable rear monoshock, offers a smoother ride across various terrains. The low seat height and ergonomic handlebars provide optimal control, while the newly designed foot pegs ensure a comfortable riding posture for long journeys. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod is a bold step forward, blending iconic cruiser heritage with modern engineering and technology. Whether you're a seasoned Harley enthusiast or a newcomer to the brand, this bike promises to deliver a thrilling and memorable riding experience. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Sphere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and motorcycle updates. See you on the next ride.